as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this wave is stringing us along, just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
Sniffles Place is a children's grief center that actually is for children and teens and their families. But we focus on serving children. We always request that the grown-ups in the children's lives would come too if they want to be a part of it. We offer a safe place with safe people to give the children an opportunity to tell their story. And we know that every time a child has an opportunity to tell their story, they heal just a little bit. 1 in 10 children in America will have a mom, dad, brother, or sister die before they reach age 18. So that's a lot of children. So we talk about what is this thing called death, grief, and loss. Then we talk about things that are helpful.
I lost my husband. He passed away in March of 2010 of sudden cardiac arrest. Was very sudden, unexpected. He was 41 years old. You can feel very alone and very unsure of what to do next. You know, and where do I go and what's coming.
It took us a while to come here because it is hard to open up, and it kind of takes a while to open up and to be able to talk about that. It's gotten easier to live every day, but it's still hard. It was harder then because I didn't really know what to do. I was really scared to go back to school that second day that it happened because I didn't know what people would say or if they would judge me or anything.
It helps children be able to understand and have somebody to talk to and know that they're not alone. People who feel like you're grieving don't want to see you hurt, so they just say, get over it, you need to move on, you need to do this or you need to do that, and that's just not how it works, and just need somebody to walk alongside of us.
One of the most important things to me was to help my girls to be able to continue to have a strong emotional well-being and to be able to deal with the loss of their dad in positive ways. And I felt like I needed help to be able to give that to them. And I feel like it's one of the best ways that we can honor him and his memory and keep him alive in our hearts.
I want Daddy to be in my heart always. Especially like when we go to the park, and then because he always used to take me to the park when my mom was at work, and I would go down the slide and he would catch me, and sometimes I would see like other girls with their dads at the park and they would look like exactly like me, and it makes me sad, but it also makes me happy that they're gonna grow up and have a good relationship with their dad.
One of the reasons that I enjoy Sniffles and being a part of it is because I believe that we were created to help each other and to encourage one another, and that's what Sniffles does.
I like how everybody's they're all kind of dealing with the same thing, and you're not alone. It's like at school, nobody really has losses that are as major as ours.
Well, I think they want to know if they're ever not going to be sad. Will they ever want to laugh again? So the expectation isn't that life will go on exactly as it was. We just have this component that isn't there. No, everything's different, but that doesn't mean it can't be happy and healthy, that we can't be whole people, that we can't learn to integrate that loss into our lives. Our healing model is called the companioning model. So we believe that each person, no matter how little or how big you are, each person has their own answers inside of them. So it's our joy to walk beside them and help them find those answers that we know are there.